Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk through how and when to replace the bread pan on your Panasonic Bread Maker. Now I've got the bread pan here just out of our SD YR 2550 model. Some of the things to look for when it comes to perhaps thinking about replacing your bread pan is damage on the inside of the bread pan here. One of the things we recommend is to never use metal implements or utensils, metal knives or forks or anything hard inside the bread pan, because that can damage the coating and cause some scrapes and scratches there that you want to avoid. But if you are seeing any of those in your bread pan, then it's a really good sort of idea to think about replacing your bread pan. Likewise, in very rare circumstances, you may have damage to your mount connection here at the bottom, especially if you've been a little bit sloppy in putting the bread pan into the bread maker. Sometimes when we're in a rush, when we all do it, we can cause some damage there when you're putting your bread pan back into the bread maker itself. So if you notice any damage on the inside or on the mount connection there at the bottom, then it's a good idea to replace your bread pan. And how can you do that? Well, our bread pans are available from our accessories store, which is online. You can go to our support websites and access the accessories store there, and you can find bread pans. You can find bread pans just on their own, but we always recommend that you purchase a bread pan with the mount accessory attached. Sometimes this is called bread pan assembly in our accessories store, but if you need help deciding which one, then do reach out to our support team and they can assist you further. I hope that's helped. I hope that's been useful for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.